Hello guys, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Today I want to share you, this is our valve assembly. If you're interested about this one, please follow me. We package with the VCI anti-rust bags. This part is the product. This is the label. The Shumatt logo. If you want print with your own logos, you can contact us. Okay. And the label, the logo, the packaging bag, and so on. Customize the service. For this part, it's the product code F00VC01001. The application model number is 045110111. From the start, 045110009 and 045110010, 045110011, 045110012, 045110014. This is a QR code. Let's open it. And also with we have the two forms of our packages. Yes, and today we'll talk about this one. Let's open it to see the inside. This is the whole. This is a whole side. Actually, also we sell the separate parts. The separate parts is like this. This is a valve cap, and the valve cap with a coating and some curved letters. This part, this is the valve roll. For the valve roll, we have different size and different lengths. And if you want other sizes, remember to contact us, okay? Okay, that's all. Yes. About the warranty, we have the 6 months and 3 days for you. First, clean it with oil. Second, make sure the valve cap in the right position. Third, make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all the details. And so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.